Hey everyone, welcome to devlog number 14 for my game. This week I added some finishing touches to it, so it's finally starting to feel like an actual game when you play it. The game is getting pretty close to completion, even though it feels like just yesterday that I started it. It's come a long ways. So this is going to be a quick video to show you some of the changes that I made in the last week. I added in the smallest amount of story that I could figure out how to put into the game. Since it's just a puzzle game, it's not heavily reliant on the story. But there's a little bit of a narrative in there in the form of cutscenes before you play each of the planets. As far as gameplay goes, there's not a whole lot in the game that needs to be explained to the player, but I went ahead and added a simple tutorial on the very first level that just indicates that you need to be dragging your finger across the screen. I added some sounds and music to the game because it was feeling pretty boring without any kind of sound or feedback for when you do things in the game, and it makes it a whole lot better and feels a lot more realistic when you're playing. And this electricity graphic was pretty hard to see on the new backgrounds that I had made, so I went ahead and adjusted that a little bit too. All of these sounds aren't finalized, and I might end up changing some of them when I actually release the game. I also remade the platforms in the levels to match the new tile sets that I had created in the last video. Check out my itch.io page down in the description if you want to go ahead and try the game for yourself. I'm going to be releasing the game to Android as well as iOS in the future, but those take a little bit longer to publish. This is going to be the final devlog for this game, and the next video that I post about it will be when it's released to iOS and Android. I hope you're looking forward to it. I have a few ideas for a couple of other games that I want to try out, so look forward to videos coming out about that in the near future. And until next time, I'll catch you later.